Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft 365 account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically from here, we are just going to follow the support article of Microsoft. And basically, the first thing to do is to simply go to your Microsoft.com. And from there, you will be able to get a new email address. That means creating a new account. So let's just click on get a new email address. From there, you can choose either like the Outlook domain or the Hotmail domain. So I'm just going to choose whatever like that. I'm just going to click on next. And let's just try whatever like that and be like that. And then we click on next. And from here, you will need just to add like password. So basically, it should be anything like that. And let's add whatever. And let's click on next. And from here, you will add your first name and last name. You click on next. And from here, you choose like your region, your birth date, and basically, let's just do whatever, like 2000s and next. And by that, you will be able to start like creating your account. And basically, you need just to solve the puzzles, and then it will ask you for your phone number. And from there, you will be able to have like created your account. After that, you will be able to start like having a subscription because creating an account, that means that you only have a Microsoft account. Now you will be needing to simply like get your Microsoft 365 subscription. So you can simply go to buy Microsoft and you can find it from anywhere. So either you are connected to the Microsoft 365, you get like to go buy the Microsoft, or you go from your Microsoft account like a dashboard and you will find the same choice. So you will need just to get it and basically you will choose any plan that you would like. You go for it and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.